a half a turn though. It makes a lot of difference. So locking that, only do a half a turn on it. If I jump like that, we jump down hill. Not like not like that.
It's a lot scarier coming downhill than it is jumping uphill. Because even going down this, I want to punch it, but it's just scary. As you can't see,
you're picking up that much more speed.
Yeah, you can't see any speed.
You're slowing down.
Damn. It's fun as shit. Scares that adrenaline just fucking force
you. Fuck yeah.